Crafty Friends, this is Sylvia. I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day today. I had a wonderful day. I spent it with my family and my sisters, and we celebrated, of course, Mother's Day, and we also celebrated my mom's birthday, even though her birthday is on Tuesday, but we figured we were all together and why not celebrate it, right? Okay, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing. All right, it's from Diamond Art Club. I ordered this a while back. It comes in a beautiful box, and when you see this in the shape of a square, it means that it's square diamonds. Okay, here it says scan me and you will unlock 10% off. In the back it has all the instructions. It comes in a beautiful shiny box. Okay, and this was called Running the Distance, okay, by Milan Art. So let's get this baby open. Okay, let's see. And by the way, guys, it is super hot upstairs. The air conditioner is not working, and hopefully somebody's coming in tomorrow to figure out what's going on. So I am sweating bullets as we speak. Okay. Okay, this is different. All right, what the heck is this? All right, well, this is actually the painting. Discover your inner artist. Learn how to create art from anywhere in the world. Okay, it's by Milan Art. If you actually scan this here on the top of the box, it will take you straight to the Milan Art Institute, and I think they offer classes if you're interested in taking classes. Okay. And then in the back, just become inspired to create. And there goes a scan with your phone camera to join. It's a Milan Art Club. That's pretty cool. Huh, have to check that out. Okay. Wow, this is pretty big, guys. Okay. And the artist's name is actually Dimitra Milan. Okay. Her paintings are described as abstract realism, meaning that it has romantic elements that look dreamy. I think she paints her dreams. Okay, so canvas, of course, from Diamond Art Club is very, very soft. Okay, has these scallop edges. All right, so let's get what's in here. Of course, the drills. Let's move that aside for now. And let's turn this baby. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Okay. It's not gonna fit here. Oh, maybe, yeah, it does. Okay, like always, Diamond Art Club. On the top, it tells you, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. It has a schematic or the legend on the left side. Okay, and it also on the right side. So all together, it looks like it has, wait, let me move this to the side, you can see better. It has 63 colors. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And anything that's under 150 are considered ABs. Of course, you can't see because all right, let's see. So these 4 here, all under 150, and which means that those are ABs. It tells you just the number, the symbol that's on the canvas, and the DMC code. Okay. That's a lot of colors. Wow, but it's gorgeous, guys. Look at this. It's definitely very, very dreamy. Okay, she's known for painting women and animals together. You know why? Because they're both beautiful and they both are strong. Yep. And I believe she's got 8 paintings right now on Diamond Art Club. One of them is, I think, is Arrival and Heaven's Whisper. Some others. Okay. Let's see. Over here, it tells you, okay, the name of it, Running the Distance. It's 29 inches by 22 inches or 74 centimeters by 56 centimeters. And there it goes, Dimitra Milan, licensed through Milan Art. Okay. It's gorgeous, guys. Well, let's see how sticky it is. It is like very, very sticky, and it is like a butter. Very, very shiny, very, very clear. Let me bring it up so you can see. Look at that. Look at that face. Look at the way they're staring at each other, guys. It's pretty intense. Okay, let me move it up so you can see how clear that is. Look how clear that is. Look how beautiful her skin color. I just love her. Love her. And the wolf. This is my daughter's inner animal. It's the wolf. So it's got like lots of green around the, it's covering the wolf. And it's got clouds on her hair. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's see. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 numbers, wherever you see 1, 2, 3, and 4, that's where the ABs goes. So it looks like you got lots of 2s here. Lots of ABs are gonna go. The ABs are Aurora Borealis, which means that they're extra shiny and sparkle. They got 4s here. Some on the wolf's face. They're actually scattered everywhere. You have 3 here. And of course, let's see, on her, you have it on her hair. ABs on her hair. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. I can't wait. Of course, I've got to finish the ones that I'm working on right now. But this is gorgeous. All right, let's turn this. Well, let's put this over here. So it came in the package, of course, always the step-by-step instructions. Okay, here we have the sticker, running the distance. Here you write down the start date and the end date. Okay, and then you have, of course, the stickers, 63 of them, and they're already cut for you. See? So you have to just pull these out and put them on the containers, on your containers when you do the kitty gun. All right, let's look at the colors. Am I missing the kit? It's in the box. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's in the box. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on here? Where's the... It also comes with a small sticker for your logbook. So you can either put the big one or the small one on the logbook. Of course, this is just a typical... this is an older kit, so this is the older toolkit. Since it's a square, the squares always come with their pointy tweezers, which I absolutely love, these tweezers. It always comes with a tray, a scrunchie for your diamond pen to help with your hands, 2 axes, heart-shaped, and of course, baggies, if you want to put the drills in there, and a placer. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it has 64,753 diamonds or drills. Okay, let's see. Wow. These are beautiful, beautiful colors, guys. Okay, here we have the 4 ABs. So there goes the 102, which I believe is probably on her hair and on the wolf. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, and then we have 125, which is white. 135, which is yellow, and 141, which is also like a white. It's actually an off-white. Okay, and then these, all the colors, it looks like we have lots of pinks, purples, blues, greens, yellow, tan, beige, green, blues, yellow, pink. My gosh, I think we've got browns, orange. It has all the colors you could think of, guys. Okay, all right, so let's bring back the painting. Okay, and that's about it, guys. I don't know when I'm going to be able to start this one. It's absolutely beautiful, and thank you, and I hope you had, like I mentioned before, a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day. Bye-bye.